Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve Spotify. Something went wrong, try reloading the page. To not fix or solve Spotify, something went wrong, try reloading the page. You should just go to settings. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click here because that can make errors. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about update here in this blue sign. When you find it, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next